Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to back up a website using Cpanel. So let's go ahead and open up the web browser. I'm going to go to this website. It's called simpleformsarchitecture.co.uk. So normally you just type in your domain or your client's domain, type that into the web browser and you'll see the website here, right? So here you can see an example of this website. After the .co.uk or the .com or whatever you typed at the end, you want to put a slash in there, which is like the question mark key, right? The forward slash, and then type in Cpanel. When you type that in, if you're running Cpanel, you'll see a login screen like this. So I'm going to put in the username and put in the password. I'm going to click login, and once I click login, I will be presented with all of the options for Cpanel, and the one that we're going to look at today is called backup. Here, backup. So let me click on that. And the first thing I normally do when I back up a website is click partial backups, download the home directory, right? So I'll click this one here and then I'll click on the databases. The forwarders or the aliases, anything like this, I don't bother with. It's just really the home directory and the two databases that I want to back up first. So I've got a copy of them here. You can see them in the display down here at the bottom. The next thing I do is download a full account backup. So I'll click here and I'll click this option not to send me an email because I'm just demoing this today. And I'll click generate backup. So when I click that, I'll click the go back button here, go back, and then I'll see the backup already listed here. So my server is pretty fast. It's running it's pretty fast server, so it will do these backups quite quick. And this particular project is quite a small project, which is why I chose it for this demonstration. So when I click on this link here, this one right here, it will download the full backup as well. Now normally this full backup is used for migration from one Cpanel account to another Cpanel account. So if you're moving servers or anything like that, then your hosting company that you're moving to might ask you to provide backups. But it's also a good idea to back up your projects, just in case you need to retain that information for any reason. So let me drag this to the side. Normally what I do is open up this folder. I've got a demo, just a little folder on my desktop, and normally I just create a new folder in here, call it backup, and then I'll put today's date is the 5th of the 1st, right? 5th of the 1st, 2019, well it's actually 2020 now. And we'll just open up this folder, and then I just simply drag and drop the zip files into here. So we should have 4 of them. Let's drag and drop all of them. So now I've got a full backup of this website. Now let's just open this up again. There's one more thing I normally do. Let's close this bottom bar here. I'll go back to Cpanel, and inside Cpanel, if I go to File Manager, inside File Manager, I'll see the backup. That's the last thing that I just downloaded, this actual file here. This is the full backup. And normally I delete this after I've done my backup. I don't need it in here. It's good to save space. So let's just click here, skip the trash, and just delete that file. Then I'll go back to File Manager, and I'm pretty much done. The last thing I'll normally do is scroll down and change the password. So now we have on my desktop a full backup of this website. So let's close this down. That's how you go about creating a full backup of your website using Cpanel. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next DCP web tutorial.